CCNA Security Real-World Labs Troubleshooting VPNs Part 2. We go back to router 2. I hope it will be easier this time. Let's test it first. Make sure I can ping it. Yeah. Show crypto ISA campus say right. Okay, we have this topology. I encourage you to watch the previous video and you will understand this one better. I want to show you some tools, commands, and give you a very good idea how you can learn VPNs and practice troubleshooting. I showed you what your router is going to report when you create one more IK phase 1 policy. Now let me say it again. The best way to learn VPNs is to break things and do debugs. Break one thing at a time and see how your router reacts. What I am going to break now is the pre-shared key. I'm going to break that line. Again, let's clear crypto SA, clear crypto ISA camp. Show crypto ISA camp SA. Good. What I want to change is this guy. I'm going to remove that. Type no and specify password that is not going to match the password that is on router 1. Show crypto ISA campus. What we want to do now, we want to do debug crypto ISA camp. Let's make sure it's gone. Do show run interface F00. Let's remove the, oh no, now it's gone I think. Yeah. Okay. We have show debug. Yes, we have ISA camp. Good. Let's ping again. Of course, it's not going to work this time, but we want to see why. And debug all. Again, we are going to highlight. I don't want to again highlight everything. Let me just copy the lines that I need. Okay. Let's see what we've got. ISA camp. That's good. Okay. I think I stopped that too early. I think that was the key exchange. Crap. Okay, let's do it again. Show crypto ISA campus say clear crypto SA clear crypto ISA camp. Let's clear it. Oops. Okay. And we'll see. I will let it finish this time. because maybe I stopped it when it tried to exchange the key. Let's enable debug crypto ISAComp. Crypto ISAComp SA. There is nothing. Good. Let's try and ping again. This time I will wait. I will let it finish. Okay, and please note, I don't even have to copy that. Please note, it stopped at key exchange. Yeah, can you see it keeps doing that? Yeah? It keeps doing that. And then it gave up. What you can do when something like that happens, you can go online and Google it. That's what says, okay, and that's what people say. Of course, that's not the only reason, but that is the first thing that people are going to suggest. Yeah? Let's try that link. That's bad password. Anything else? Of course, that's not the only reason, but that's the main thing that can happen at this stage of IKE phase 1. Yeah? And of course you can Google it, but please note that I'm not sure if that was just me, but there was no clear message saying, oh, password was incorrect. That will happen. Of course, we can see these messages again, because I left that message behind. And unfortunately, you will see that everywhere in VPNs. In many cases, you will not see a line saying, oh, mate, password is wrong, change it. That's not the case. Sometimes you will have to figure out what the issue is. Here it's pretty easy because it says, well, I am trying it again. I am trying it again. I am trying it again. Another thing that you can do, and it can help, you can go to the other peer. Let me clear that here. Clear crypto SA. Let's telnet to 1.1.1.1. Sometimes it makes sense to do debugs on both ends if possible. You can be surprised that one peer will tell you what the problem is and the other one will not. It all depends where the conversation was initiated, right? That's why it makes sense. Let me enable that one. Debug crypto ISAComp. You can do errors, but let's do that actually. You can do packets as well for crypto, but that is crazy. It will give you a lot of information. Show crypto ISAComp SA. There is nothing good. Let's try and ping again and see what this router says. Okay, it's trying again. Okay, I think it's done. Let's check it here, it will be faster. Ooh, go away. I did undebug all. That's why it makes sense to paste it in. Go away. Okay, I will just copy that. Yeah, it's the same message, right? the same message. Okay, let's fix it and move to another one. Every time you do that, make sure that you fix it and test it, right? Before you create a new issue, make sure that you test it and everything is up and running again. Let's test it. Here we go. It's working now. Is it debugs from the other router? Well, never mind. Show debug. Yeah. I was in the global configuration mode. Okay. Right. So let's break something else. What else can we break? Let's break something at IK phase 2. What we can do, we can break something in here. Right? Let's do it then. Do show crypto IPsec SA. Want to make sure, yeah, it's working as you can see, right? Let's do no. This guy. Oops. That was stupid. Come on. Here. And okay, can I just change it? Will it complain when if I do that? ESP 3 days and ESP show. Okay. Show run include VPN. Okay, we've got 3 days here and of course AES on the other end. Show crypto ISACamp SA, clear crypto SA, crypto IPsec SA, show crypto ISACamp SA, IK phase 1, clear crypto ISACamp SA, ISACamp, right? Go away. Okay. Again, what we did, we broke IK phase 2. On router 2, let me go back to our topology. On router 2, we have 3 devs, and router 1 will ask for AES, right? It's not going to work because they do not match. Let's see again. Let's do debugs. Show debug. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to debug crypto IPsec and debug crypto ISACamp. Okay. Let's do these 2 debugs. Let's verify it's gone now. Yes, it is. And we'll try and ping again. Okay, we're lucky. That's pretty obvious, isn't it? I'm pretty sure you know that when we type show crypto ISACamp SA, you will see QM idle. IK phase 1 is up. However, show crypto IPsec SA will not show you anything here, right? And there was a pretty obvious line for that here. Transform proposal not supported for identity, right? And it specified AES. I don't like it. You ask me for 3 days, right? And of course it gave up now. Okay, that's what you, of course, some other things you can break is, just to give you, well, every single line, guys, right? Break this one and see how it reacts. Break that one and see what happens. We did that one, yeah? We broke that one, see what happens. Maybe change not 3ds, but SHA. Make sure that you see the same error message. Then go to CryptoMap. Play with the peer IP address. Specify a wrong transform set. Change something in the access list. See what's going to happen. Break every single line. The last thing I'm going to tell you is, it is a good idea to try it on more than one router. So for instance, use, I don't know, 2801 and 877 or something like that, yeah? Because it all depends what the iOS you're running. The debugs and logs, you know, there might be different. Make sure that you play with more than one router, and that will give you a very good idea how you can troubleshoot a side-to-side VPN. Thank you very much.